Return to home.
Yeah, let's get back in the car.
There's a lot of lightning.
Landing.
Oh, everyone in the cars.
Oh.
Still a good vantage point to watch it. You just don't want to be standing out there, right?
Yeah.
It's okay if my window's open?
Yeah. A little bit.
Don't open the window again.
What were you pointing at, Scott?
Alright, Woodchuck, do you have a plan moving forward?
Stay here. Might want to move.
Assuming I'm able to retrieve my video camera, I am taking a look right now. Do you have any thoughts as of now?
Yeah, my thoughts are this stuff here locally is just becoming a really big windbag, still kind of junky stuff. I don't see it recovering, and I think my thoughts are to sail south and to give the other stuff coming in from the west a possibility.
I think something could happen here, like, soon, but...
Roger that. I'm going to retrieve my device, my cameras, and I can take the lead going south and west. We should send a note to all parties, so Tumbleweed is also informed. Thanks.
I'm right here, so keep going, everybody. I'm right with you.
I still think this thing has a shot in the next 10 minutes. There's an inflow tail on the north side.
I think we should start moving.
Hang back, Kathy, but we might need the radar truck to get us away from the winds and just start sailing south.
Yeah, Armadillo is just going to proceed south right now so that we don't get caught up in the wind. Or the potentially large number of ships that I believe I've seen coming south now.
You can see a little funnel cloud there. Actually, two little funnel clouds. You might get a picture. I mean, they're not likely to do anything. They're on the gust front, but they're kind of neat. Lasting way longer than I would expect. It's gonna make me a liar and do a tornado for us. Is there any?
What?
I said it'll make me a liar and do a tornado for us. Yeah, it's really persistent. I'm gonna look for any little debris cloud. Lightning